So tonight I'm making myself homemade fish and chips and peas, and I've got some cooked peas which have gone cold, and I thought why not have a go at making a pea cake. So in here I've got probably about 4 tablespoons of cooked peas, 2 tablespoons of fat-free yoghurt, heaped tablespoon of Natvia sweetener, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Now that is going to be the basis of my flavour that I'm going to be adding to my oat bran cake. Okay, so in here I've got 2 tablespoons of oat bran, the pea puree with the yoghurt, and lemon zest and an egg. So all I'm going to do is give that a whisk together. Oh yes, silly me, of course I've got baking powder and a pinch of bicarb in there too. So I'm just going to give that a good whisk together. Need to put the camera down, and that will go then into my small pudding basin to be cooked in the oven. Okay, just before I was going to put the cake batter in my basin, I thought, I know it's going to go well with this, poppy seeds. So as you can see there, I've got a teaspoon of poppy seeds. Oh my god, I'm so excited! It looks fantastic. I love to experiment with vegetables and cakes. And there is my scrumptious pea cake. Oat bran pea cake with just a few almonds on top. And it smells amazing. So that's going to be served with a side of quark flavoured with Natvia sweetener. And half a teaspoon of vanilla. Absolutely scrumptious. Can't wait to plate it up and tuck in. Yummy.